All right, boys and girls, we are going to do our Saxon phonics. So please take out your alphabet strips and also your Saxon booklet like this. We'll start with our alphabet strip. And this time you see I'm going to teach little Blackie. Little Blackie cannot ever remember the sounds, but she's good. She likes watching while we do it. Okay, so why don't you do it with us and help me teach little Blackie. Apple, ah. Balloon, ba. Cat, k. Dog, d. Elephant, eh. Fish, f. Goat, g. Hat, h. Inch, I. Jar, j. Kite, k. Lion, ul. Monkey, m. Nest, n. Octopus, ah. Pig, p. Quilt, qu. Rabbit, sun, s. Tent, t. Umbrella, a. Vest, v. Wagon, w. Fox, x. Yarn, y. And zebra, z. Okay. Now, in your booklet, we are on worksheet 26, and we are working with the short vowel sound ah. Okay, so go ahead and write your name at the top. I'll write my name. And if you need more time, just pause the video, okay? There we go. Okay. So, we're going to begin by reviewing some of the letters that we've already done, okay? This says, this is a pig, p, p. So we write the P sound with a capital P and a lowercase p. That's going to go on line number 1 there, okay? Let's look at number 2. Okay, that is tent, tent. And we can write the t sound with either a capital T, just like I'm doing on line number 2 right here, or a lowercase t. So go ahead and write that on line number 2. Next one is hat, and we write the hat sound with either a capital H or a lowercase h. And please make that lowercase h nice and tall, okay? You don't want it to look like an NN, okay? Our next sound is goat, g, and we write the g sound with a capital G and a lowercase g. So go ahead and write that on line number 4. Okay. Now on line number 5, we have octopus ah, and we write octopus ah with a capital O and a lowercase o. So go ahead and write that on line number 5. Our next sound is lion, ul. So we can write that either with a capital L or a lowercase l. And then our last one, we're back to our worksheet here with apple, ah, and you're just going to copy right there to write your capital A and your lowercase a. Okay? All right, now in the pool right here, we have, make sure you circle your A's. So here's a capital A right here. Only the capital A's can stay in the pool, okay? I like to cross my letters that don't belong with an X, so I don't circle them by mistake. Sometimes I make mistakes, and the eraser becomes my best friend. Okay, so not a capital. I want my capital A, capital A, ah, capital A, ah. Okay, so all together, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 capital A's right there. Okay, we're almost done. Just on the back, we're going to sound out some words together, and these are all going to have the ah sound like our letter A, okay? Here, so let's do that first row. This word here, if we sound it out, is g, ah, g, ag, gag. Gag, that is the word gag. So we're going to find the word gag Either this word, or this word is also the word gag, and circle it. Remember, we're looking for the g sound. Okay, so this one has a h, so that's not going to be the word. Gag. This is it right here. And by the way, it has G twice, right, in the beginning and in the end, and then our a sound is in the middle. Over here we have t. That's not going to work because it has a T. That is the word tag. We're going to cross that out. Okay, now our next word that has a in the middle is gap. Gap. So we're looking for the g sound first. So let's see here. Gap. Okay, this one was easier because the first word matched. This one has a t, so that can't be. Plus it has an O in the middle. That's the wrong vowel. That word is top. And this one starts with h. So that one doesn't match. That's the word hat. We're going to cross that out. Let's go to number 3. Lag. That is the word lag. And this one's starting with a p. That's not it. This one's starting with a lag. That matches that. So we can circle it. Lag. This last one starts with h. Okay, so that's not it. This is hog, and that one over there is pat. So these were the two that matched. Okay, look at number 4. Lap. Okay, this one, it can't be it because right away we're seeing an H that goes h and not ol. So I can cross that out. That's the word hat, by the way. That's not going to work. This one has a t. Remember, we're looking for an L that goes ol, and that has a T, so that's not it. That's the word tag. So here it is. There's our lap. That matches. Okay? All right. I hope you enjoyed finding your short a sound words today, boys and girls. I'm going to put this away and get ready for our next phonics lesson.